How to change map color or theme in Google Maps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it works on Android, iPhone or Samsung. For that we will simply open Google Maps. So I will simply click on Maps. Once you click on Maps, here you guys will see normal colors, like you guys can see all theme was on white color and black. So how you guys can change that? So for that you will simply click on top right corner small profile pic. Once you click here you guys will scroll till end. Now here you guys will see settings, so simply click on settings. Once we click on setting, here you guys will see app language, offline map setting, Wi-Fi only, theme. So simply click on theme. Here you guys will see always in dark mode, same as device theme. So simply click on always in dark mode. After that click on save. Once you click on save, our map color will be changed to black and white. So that's how you guys can change the color of your map. Thanks for watching.